family and friends. So if you didn't already know, we haven't done any videos because we have been recovering from COVID, and as you can see, Dwayne is on oxygen, and we are kicking back here watching Off the Nitty Gritty, which is another off-grid channel of a couple doing what we're doing. So in this video, I'm going to try to compile the work that we've done to prepare for the propane lines that are going in, the solar lines that are coming, and I'll try to put together a video for you guys so you can see what is happening while we're recovering. So, alright, stay tuned here.
Hey everybody, I just located my 20-foot pipe for my solar panels, and I'm running down to Pacific Steel right now to pick it up. And my good neighbor next door loaned me his car trailer, so it's going to be easy to haul back. I'm going to see if I can't get some concrete with that. It looks like the weather's gotten a lot better. Yeah, clouds are breaking up. Had some heavy wind last night. Thunder and lightning is always a fun thing to feel and watch. But it's just an incredible time to be alive. Just enjoying this beauty out here. Check it out. Clouds above the tree tops, sun peeking through. Yeah, just love it. Everybody, here we are. Made it back. Pipe, concrete, and mixer. And this is the machine that did it. Amazing little half-ton. But we are going to offload with the tractor. Pipe's about 360 pounds, 20 feet long, schedule 40, 6-inch. So, but it handled the trip real well. Nice trailer from my neighbor. And we have the mixer up there. But I'm going to go grab another pellet, lay it down, and offload that concrete with the tractor. And I gotta build some forms. First, put some gravel down in the hole. Got a little bit of water down there. And pack it and build me some forms. And I'll go get conduit for the wiring a little bit later, but I just want to get this pole up right now. So we're putting her together. Hey, we are here starting our day. Jim just came over, my neighbor, and he is going to help me unload all that concrete right there. I'm going to load it on that pellet right there. And there's the mixer I put together last night. And then we got after the pad dries down there, we'll set the pipe.
Hey, I just got back up here. I'm going to show you what Dwayne's doing now. Pretty cool. Hold on. You probably will not be able to hear. How do you have such good water pressure?
Shower water.
Oh, you're using the water pump. Solar. 14 feet in the air. It turned out to be a lot taller than we expected.
Oh, you went all the way around the pole this time.
Had to camp 3 times to get my high spots nice and level. Now we've got all the wet coming to the top. Yeah, so it's up 2 feet on the pole now.
That's good.
And if you add the 6 inches underneath, so we're up high enough, but I'm just gonna mix up 2 more bags of some dry mix and then tap it in, and it won't be so wet on top. It'll dry up. Face. Happy face. You probably got enough there.
What?
How many did you take?
I think I need more.
Is that a good one?
I'm taking video.
You know, well, you said you were taking a picture.
I did, but then you were funny, so I did video.